Hello kids, this is your maths teacher Ms. Amrita Bhavsar. Today we will learn chapter 7, time. Now can you see a clock? Yes. This is an analog clock. This is an analog clock face. The numbers round the clock face are hours. The numbers shown from 1 to 12 are the hours. There are 12 hours marked on the clock. Telling the time. The lines around the edge are minutes. There are 60 minutes marked on the clock. This is because there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. In the clock, the small hand points to the hours and the big hand points to the minutes. When the big hand points to the 12, the time is o'clock. 4 quarters. If we were to slice the clock into 4 equal sections, we would have 4 quarters. Each quarter represents a 15-minute section. Skip count by 5s. We now know that 60 minutes are on the clock. There are 5 minutes from 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3 and so on. Count with me by 5s around the clock. Starting from 1, 5, adding 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. When the big hand moves from 12 to 3, it is quarter past the hour. This is because the big hand has moved quarter of the way around the clock face. When the big hand moves from the 12 to the 6, it is half past the hour. This is because the big hand has moved half of the way around the clock face. When the big hand moves from the 9 to the 12, it is quarter to the hour. This is because the big hand only has quarter of the clock face to move to get to the next o'clock. Now, first we have seen analog clock. Now, let us see digital clock. This is a digital clock. The hours are to the left of the column. The minutes are to the right of the column. You can see this on a cell phone or your microwave at home. Now let us learn AM and PM. What is AM? 12 AM is midnight. We are sleeping at this time, right? 12 PM is noon. We eat lunch at this time. When we say AM, we are referring to the hours before noon. When we say PM, we are referring to the hours past noon. AM and PM. Easy way to remember AM and PM. AM means after midnight and PM means past morning. Now let us see days of the week. How many days are there in a week? Yes, 7 days. And which are they? Yes, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now let us learn days of the week in detail. Days of the week are written with uppercase letters. Means we always write first letter in the capital form. The first day of the week is Sunday. The last day of the week is Saturday. The weekdays are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. The weekend days are Saturday and Sunday. With the days of the week, you use the preposition on. What day is it? Look carefully at the following expressions. Today, yesterday, tomorrow, next week, last week. What day is it? Today is Monday. What day was yesterday? If today is Monday, then what day was yesterday? Yes, yesterday was Sunday. What day will be tomorrow? If today is Monday, then what day will be tomorrow? Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Now let us learn months of the year. Repeat after me. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Months of the year in detail. There are 12 months in a year. The months of the year are written with uppercase letters, means capital letters. All months have 30 or 31 days, except for February, which has 28 days. The year has 365 days except on leap years. Every fourth year, the month of February has 29 days instead of 28. This year is called a leap year. And the 29th of February is a leap day. A leap year has 366 days instead of the normal 365 days. First month of the year is January. Second month, February. Third month is March. Fourth month, April. Fifth month, May. Sixth month, June. Seventh month, July. Eighth month of the year, August. Ninth month, September. 10th month, October. 11th month, November. And the last 12th month is the December. Now let us see Knuckles method. Knuckles have 31 days. Knuckles means the pointed one, upper part. And spaces have 30 days. Spaces means this one, in between gaps. February has 28 or 29 days. Let us learn the Knuckles method. Starting from January, February, March, April, May, June, July, then August. Again start from here. August, September, October, November, December. So students, I hope you understood this chapter of time and the topics, days of the week, months of the year. Thank you.